Going down to deck 15, which is the diner and everything like that. And they got some cabins right there. That's the aquatic club. This is where we were just looking at the overview of the pool. We're gonna walk by it right now. And the gallery, it's not a buffet. It's a food station. So it's not like any cruise you've been on before with the buffet. You don't pick out the food yourself. You go there and they serve you food. See, this is the aquatic pool area, and it's very comfortable. This is adults only cruise. Again, I want to let you know I'm on Virgin Voyages, adult cruise, no kids, 18 and older. And this is day 3 at sea. Like I said, for the first 2 days it was raining so much we couldn't even get it. Endless towels and stuff. You can request robes. We got hot tubs. And we're gonna go into both gyms so I can show you what both gyms look like. Going to work out?